Welcome back to Remote Life with Jack. Today, we're checking out customer service and non-phone data entry jobs that are hiring right now. Perfect if you're looking for remote work without being on calls all day, so make sure you stay until the end for all job leads. Our first role comes from known well as a patient experience coordinator. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. Pay starts at $20, ending at $23, which all depends on your location and experience. So what you will do in this role is handle patient calls, schedule and reschedule appointments, coordinate referrals, follow-ups, and assist with patient onboarding, document interaction in the EHR systems, and resolve patient requests. For this role, it is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. You must have 5 years of medical scheduling, patient access, or healthcare call center experience, and they would like to also see strong communication and multitasking skills. So for this role, it is a strong option for experienced healthcare customer service or scheduling professionals who want remote work. So if you're interested in the patient experience coordinator with Known Well, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from CVS as a call center service advocate 1. This is a full-time remote position available in 50 locations. So if you're within those 50 locations and you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. So what you will do in this role, you will schedule, reschedule, and cancel patient appointments. You will handle inbound and outbound calls. You will enter patient and appointment information. You will resolve scheduling issues, follow up with patients, and maintain accurate records. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of customer service experience preferred, strong computer skills, and the ability to multitask. You must have professional phone etiquette and reliable high-speed internet. For this role, it is 40 hours a week. The pay starts at $17, ending at $34, which all depends on your location and experience. So if you are interested in the call center advocate with CVS, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Yelp as a entry-level IT help desk technician. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. This role will operate in Eastern Standard Time. So what you will do in this role, you will respond to IT support tickets, you will troubleshoot hardware and software issues, assist employees through phone, chat, and ticket queues. You will also monitor system alerts and escalate complex problems when needed. For this role, you must have strong customer service skills, the willingness to learn technology, basic familiarity with tools like Google Apps, Office 365, Jira, and SSO. Help desk experience is a plus, but it is not required. For this role, the salary starts at $44, ending at $60,000 per year, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a solid entry-level IT opportunity for someone with customer service experience who wants to transition into IT. So if you're interested in the entry-level IT help desk tech position with Yelp, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Harmony Cares as a Outreach Specialist 1. This is a full-time position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will place high-volume outbound calls to schedule in-home health assessments. You will answer incoming member calls, follow up on appointments. You will verify demographics and insurance information. You will document that information and follow HIPAA compliance. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, strong computer skills, the ability to work independently, and strong communication skills. They will also like to see 1 year of call center experience. It's preferred, but it is not required. The pay goes up to $23, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great option for someone with customer service or call center experience who wants to enter healthcare as an entry level. So if you're interested in the outreach specialist with Harmony Cares, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Adat Health as a order entry specialist. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this position, you will enter and process patient orders, medical supplies, and prescriptions into systems. You will verify patient and insurance information, as well as review orders for accuracy. You will also communicate with providers and insurance, document updates, and maintain HIPAA compliance. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 1 year of work-related experience for entry-level positions. They will also like to see experience in billing, claims, pharmacy, medical supplies, or call center experience. It is not required, but it is preferred. For this role, it is a non-phone role, so this is a great opportunity for anyone looking for that non-phone focused healthcare data entry role. So if you're interested in the order entry specialist with AdAt Health, the link is in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Gainwell Technologies as a healthcare data entry specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will enter, review, and verify healthcare claims, supporting documents, and member records. You will also maintain accurate data, protect confidential information, and meet daily productivity and quality standards using multiple systems. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Years of data entry, administrative claims, healthcare operations, or related experience, and you must have strong typing accuracy, attention to detail, and micro office skills are required. Again, this is 100% remote. For this role, the pay range starts at $35,000 ending at $50,000, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is an excellent option for someone looking for 100% remote, non-phone, healthcare data entry role. So if you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.